In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use WhatsApp AI writing help feature. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp. Make sure you have already logged in. Navigate to the U page, head over to the section chats. Now here you might find the option of private processing option. You will need to enable it. In case you didn't find that option, you will need to update the WhatsApp. To do that, close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, you might get access to that feature. Now you can launch WhatsApp, navigate to the U page, go to the option chats and enable the option for private processing. Once you do that, you can navigate to any of the conversation, type in the message. Now tap and hold the text you have written to bring up additional options. Depending on your device and app version, you may see a pencil icon near the message field or next to the sticker icon. Tap on the available AI writing tool and select options such as rewrite or writing help. WhatsApp's AI will then analyze your draft and generate improved versions of your message, helping you make it clearer, more professional, or easier to understand. Simply choose the version you prefer and send it in the chat. Keep in mind that availability may vary by region and some users may not yet have access to the feature. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.